In a quiet kitchen, two partners discover the power of a 60-second reset after a tense disagreement. They agree on a ritual, a slow breath, a single word of appreciation, and a plan to revisit with curiosity. A psychologist notes that such micro-rituals lower cortisol, narrow focus to the present, and invite gentler reframing. Over weeks, the routine becomes a reliable cue that care outlasts heat, guiding couples toward collaborative problem solving. By mastering timing and tone, they rewrite their shared story from fault to partnership and daily resilience.